this is what we are going to be using now. So we're going to copy these three columns, which is your Bouguer anomaly data. You copy them and then go to the file we created in the folder. Where did we create that file? We created a file in the folder here. There's gravity projects for tutorial. Open the test, then paste it inside the test. So this is what we're going to be using. Okay, so then say save and close this up and save. Okay, okay, so then open your Oasis Montaj. Open the code, go to database, import, import ASCII, file to import, click on these three dots and go to where you saved it, and we saved it in Gravity Projects under for tutorial, and copy the folder, the file. Click on wizard, click next, click next, click next. Yes. Okay, so this is imported file, this is templates. Okay, so give it a name, the new database name. So we call it tutorial. Let's name it tutorial Gabi and say okay. It creates a new database for you. Next thing you're going to do is to edit the data. Go to coordinates, set current XYZ coordinates. Okay, remember that your longitude is the same thing as your eastings. So this longitude, while your northings is the same thing as your latitude. Pick your latitude. Your current Z, this is XYZ, so your Z is your gravity instead of elevation. So you can use Oasis Montaj to create a more 2D map. So we are basically creating a 2D map right now. Okay, let's say okay, it's now okay. So next, go to gridding minimum curvature. The grid, what you want to grid is the gravity. So choose gravity. Output data, we call it Gabi grid. Okay, now let's always put that story in front of it. Okay, okay, so you see now it have created this. Okay, so next thing, go to map tools, base map, draw base map, map, next. Okay. So next, all right, you are doing of the map. Map title, Bouguer anomaly map. Okay, finish. So it has made your map. While clicking on this window, you click on this globe right here to view the map in a full window. Okay, the map full window. So click on this map group mode. Click on this. Okay, click on this. Drag your scale to the right position where you want it to be. And drag your node arrow to where you want it to be. So we have our node arrow, our scale, the title, and the subtitle. The name of the client and the title of the map. So on the map, to go to symbols, take your color legend, and then locate it, choose where it will be, just click anywhere. It will take you to the location of that place, then say okay. So this is your legend right now. Drag it, the color legend, drag it to expand it how you want. This is okay for me. So this is your map right here. Okay, so we've created a Bouguer anomaly map for Penang. Process the map. Okay, so to process the map, go to GS, load menu, load mag map, type mag map, search for mag map, this mag map here, say okay, open, mag map comes up. This is it. It was not here before. So click on mag map. You have different processing tools here. But for this study we are going to be using interactive filtering. So we'll be doing each of these filters one after the other till we apply the filter. Okay, it's basically the same thing as this, or just one step, but we're going to be using interactive filtering. So prepare your grid. Name of the grid file you want to process is tutorial Gabi grid. That grid you created. So okay, click and then what output name do you want to give it? Name of output preprocessed. So let's call it pro prepo Bouguer map. Let's use underscore here. Bouguer map. Okay, and say start. So this is what you have. Click on the globe. This is what you have right here. Alright, so let's go to mag map again. Do forward fast Fourier transform. Name of the map you want to do that to. Okay, that is not, you might not recognize any change, but that is done. Then go to the next, radial average spectrum output. Let's call it spec underscore Bouguer map. Okay, so with that spectrum you can now view display of our spectrum and see it here. This is a spectrum. Okay, this is spectrum, you can see it right here. So then go back to the interactive filtering, the interactive spectrum filter. Okay, no, this is not what I want us to do. Go down to apply filter. Wait, name of, okay, okay, spectrum name. Okay, Okay. Okay. So okay, let's overwrite. Okay. So this shows up. Click on preview so you see what your map looks like as you're working on it. So this is what this is our original grid. This will be our filtered grid when we are done. So we click on regional. I want to work on the regional map now. You know the difference between regional and residual. When you run a gravity survey, the total Bouguer anomaly map you get is a combination of the is a superimposition of the regional anomalies and the residual anomalies. So what we are doing under this Butterworth filter, which filters both the regional and the residual, is to separate the regional and residual anomalies. The regional is just like is basically the overall change in gravity gradients from one part of this island to the other. Okay, so it normally shows the the nature of the country rock, the of the basin. You can use regional to study the basin of that area. But when it comes to residual, what residual does is to give us shallow features. We can use it to study the shallow features that are not too deep in the earth, shallower features, and help us also to talk about the stratigraphic variations, the structures, if there is a fault, if there are folds. Okay, so we're going to do that of the regional first. So in a regional, we're going to slide to get something that looks like a regional stuff. Okay, I'm trying to separate. Okay, something like this. So generally see that the that the that this island has a high gravity anomaly at the center. Okay, so this is okay. Then say okay. And click OK. Go back to map, interactive filtering, apply the filter. Let's call it mm, let's call it our regional anomaly. Okay, and say okay. So this is a regional map. So you do the same map, make it a map, a standard map. Next, Penang, Bouguer residual, region. Okay, finish. Click on this blue. Click on this icon. Drag your scale to where your scale should be. Drag your north arrow to where your north arrow should be. Add up your color legend. Say replicate. Click anywhere. Okay. Drag it. Expand it. Till the numbers by the side are visible. Okay. So gravity anomalies is normally in milligal. So I think this is in milligal. So if you want to give a title to your color scale, remember when we created it, there's a place where it shows, give it a title. So you can call it in milligal. You can just write milligal. Okay, so that's that. This is our map. This is our map. So next thing we're going to do is to go back to magma. Go back to magma. Interactive spectrum filter again. Okay. Alright, okay. Now do a residual. Click your preview so you see your preview. This is what a residual map looks like. So on the shallower surface, we can find that probably this was a lava flow that flowed down the southern parts, the southwest part of the island. Maybe there was a volcanic eruption or something. I think this is a volcanic. This is a volcanic core. When you look at this island on Google Earth, you will see a kind of a conical mountain in the center of it. So I think this should be as a result of volcanic lava flow. This could be a lava flow. Okay, so um, you can adjust it more. You can filter it out more. See, it's making it more shallower when you go. Okay, you can look at this way. You can look at this way. Okay, so say okay. When you say okay, go to magma and apply the filter. Apply filter. Rename this thing to residual. Okay, so this is your residual map. Click on the globe. Go to map tools, base map, draw base map, nests, nests, sorry, nests, penning, residual, Bouguer anomaly map, finish. So it creates it. Put in your symbols, your legend, color legend. Maybe this time we're going to name it medical. Okay, alright. So you see the medical has appeared here. Click on the map group mode, drag this down, drag this down, expand your scale till the number is visible enough. Drag the map scale. I would advise you not to enlarge your scale. I see people doing dragging their scale. Don't drag your scale, because when you drag it, the proportion of this length is no longer will no longer, from this distance to this distance is 2,500 meters on land. You know how map scale are used in maps. So dragging it is taking it out of proportion with the map. So leave it the way it is. Okay, so drag the north arrow to where it's supposed to be. There is it. Okay, so you can save your map. You can save. Go to map. You can save map. Save changes. For me, you can actually export your map. Okay, you can export them. You can export them as JPEG. You can export them as GIF. You can export them. Let's export it as JPEG. Okay, and let's increase the DPI, or the resolution of the map. The more you increase the DPI of the map, let's give it 100. You see the size of that map will increase. Watch and see what you are doing. Supposed to estimated image size supposed to increase. Let's take it to 200. It increases to 4 KB. So it looks increases 400, 149 KB. Let's increase it to 1000. Okay. Okay, view region. We are not viewing the whole map, full map. So the full map, click on full map. Estimated image is 69.6 MB, so it's too heavy. Let's reduce it to 500, 17 MB. 17 MB is okay, so that your project will have a good map with a good resolution. So I can reduce it to 250, 4.4 MB. Okay, and it's at 300, 300, 6. Okay, so then output format. Okay, where do you want to save it? Let's save it inside the folder of the project for tutorial. Remember, this is the residual map. Residual Penango residual map. Penang residual map. Okay, just the same thing we did, you can do it for the regional map too. Alright. So, do you wish to save the open document? Okay. Alright, so the changes were made to display view map. Do you want to save the changes to your map? So yes. Okay. Save. So this is let's look for the map where the map is. So this is a map. So this is what your map looks like. That's your residual map. Okay, you can also save. A Bouguer anomaly map, which map do the same thing. Export. Let's leave the same 3 times. So okay. We have the project with the regional. Okay, it's saved. Click here to see your maps. So let's save this map. Let's save this map. Save map. When I saved it, it just came here. So this is a very good map. Okay, this is a general map. So let's save these are grids. Okay, these are regional. Okay, so we have our maps available. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to teach you how we can now interpret, depending on the geology. You have to know the geology of Penang and then know how to interpret the data.